Now in this topic, what is the purpose of building Wi-Fi? The purpose of Wi-Fi is to hide the complexity by enabling the wireless access to applications and data media and stream. The main of Wi-Fi is following: to access to information, make access to information user, ensure compatibility and coexistence of devices, enabling cabling and wiring, eliminate the cabling and wiring, eliminate switches, adapter, plug pins and connector. Now what happens when two computers, this is one laptop PC and this is another PC, how they are connected? They are connected with the help of a wire. Now when the wire comes, there is a adapter in between. One adapter is here, another adapter is here. The adapter requires the charging slot, another adapter requires a charging slot. Their connector is there, here the plugs are there. And you know, there is a lot of problem when the wire is there. If the wire is physically damaged over here, then the connection gets lost, and when the connection gets lost, the work is disturbed. So basic idea of building, the purpose of Wi-Fi was that we want to eliminate this wiring. We didn't want this wiring, so that there is smooth connection, right? So we wanted to remove cables, we want to remove wires, etc. We want to ensure the compatibility of the devices, and we want to make sure that the information transfer is easier. Information or data, wires, data, media, any kind of data which can be transferred in both the devices, that too wirelessly. So the Wi-Fi came into existence. So wireless is very important over here. That was the purpose of creating Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi technology, the Wi-Fi technology which uses to transmit and receive the data at a high speed is nothing but IEEE 802.11b, 802.11a, 802.11g, 802.11n. The radio technologies which are used for transmitting and receiving data, are this kind of technologies are used. IEEE stands for IEEE has got IEEE is nothing but an institute where the engineering standards are maintained for transmission of the data, where 802.11 is nothing but the frequency band on which on the basis of that the data is being transferred. So now what happened in 802.11b? It was formed in the late 99. Now today we are in 2015. So before 16 years, one band was formed of 802.11, which operated at 2.4 gigahertz radio spectrum, and theoretical speed was 11 Mbps in that. 11 Mbps means 11 megabytes per second, and the actual speed which was got was 4 to 6 Mbps. And you know, it has just a very basic range of 100 to 150 range was there. It was that time most popular and very least expensive. You know, it was at very basic cost available, and interference was between mobile phone and Bluetooth devices that can reduce the transmission speed. So basically 802.11 was formed in 99. It was operated around 2.4 gigahertz radio spectrum. It has got a theoretical speed of 11 Mbps, but the actual speed was only 4 to 6 Mbps, and it operated on only 100 to 150 feet range. It was most popular that time, and it was less expensive, and basically that was used in mobile phone and Bluetooth devices so that it can reduce the transmission speed. Now in 802.11a was formed 2 years later in 2001, which operated at 5 gigahertz. Now from 11 Mbps the speed increased to 54 Mbps in 802.11a. The practical speed was only 4 to 6 Mbps. Now you can see it's 15 to 20 Mbps the actual speed it got. and it came into the range of 50 to 75 feet range, and it was more expensive. It was not compatible with 802.11p. It was not compatible with 801.p. So as the years go on, the technology goes on increasing. And the next was from 802.11g. It was introduced in 2003, and it has combined the both feature and standards of A and B. Now the range is improved: 100 to 150 range, 54 Mbps speed, 2.4 gigahertz radio frequency, and it was compatible with B also. So what we have seen, 802.11a and 802.11p, and this both combined to form 802.11g. So both standards are combined here. Now in the next slide we will see the elements of Wi-Fi network.